Have you ever wondered how your zodiac sign influences your love life? Well, let's dive into the celestial world of astrology and uncover the secrets of the stars. First, we have Aries, the fiery and passionate sign. In love, Aries often leads with their heart, displaying boldness and bravery. They are eager, competitive, and not afraid to take the initiative. But be aware, their fiery nature can sometimes lead to heated arguments. Next up, we have the Earthy Taurus. Known for their sensuality and appreciation for the finer things in life, Taurians are lovers, not fighters. They crave stability and will work hard to maintain harmony in their relationships. However, their stubbornness can sometimes create friction. Gemini, the sign of the twins, is up next. Geminis are known for their dual nature. In love, they are playful, intellectual, and constantly seeking new experiences. However, their changeable nature can sometimes lead to inconsistency. Cancer, the crab, is deeply intuitive and sentimental. In love, they are loyal and empathetic, offering a shoulder to lean on. But remember, their protective shell can make them appear distant at times. On to Leo, the lion. Leos are known for their generosity, warmth, and loyalty. In love, they are passionate and dramatic, always wanting to be the center of attention. However, their pride can sometimes get in their way. Next, we have the meticulous Virgo. Virgos are practical, analytical, and have an eye for detail. In love, they are supportive and attentive, always striving for perfection. But beware, their critical nature can sometimes lead to nitpicking. The balanced Libra is up next. Libras are known for their love for harmony and fairness. In love, they are diplomatic and charming, always seeking balance. However, their indecisiveness can sometimes lead to confusion. Scorpio, the scorpion, is deeply emotional and intuitive. In love, they are passionate and magnetic, drawing others towards them. But be careful, their intense emotions can sometimes lead to jealousy. Next up, the adventurous Sagittarius. Sagittarians are optimistic, freedom-loving, and have a thirst for knowledge. In love, they are enthusiastic and spontaneous, always ready for an adventure. However, their fear of commitment can sometimes hold them back. Capricorn, the goat, is disciplined and has a strong sense of responsibility. In love, they are dependable and practical, always planning for the future. But remember, their ambition can sometimes take precedence over their relationships. Next, we have the innovative Aquarius. Aquarians are independent, original, and value their freedom. In love, they are unconventional and intellectual, always seeking a deep mental connection. However, their detachment can sometimes lead to emotional distance. Finally, we have the dreamy Pisces. Pisceans are compassionate, intuitive, and have a deep emotional capacity. In love, they are selfless and romantic, always putting their partner's needs before their own. But beware, their sensitivity can sometimes lead to heartbreak. So there you have it. The stars have spoken, revealing the secrets of love and relationships. Remember, these characteristics are just a guide, and the true essence of love lies in understanding, respect, and acceptance. So no matter what your sign, cherish your unique traits and let them guide you in your journey of love.